Senator Coyle.
The question is for Senatrice Mention, the chair of CIBA. I asked you previously when senators would see the latest report from the consulting group charged with helping the Senate set a greenhouse gas target, calculate projections, and provide recommendations on establishing an action plan for Senate's path to net zero. On March 29, 2022, the Senate unanimously adopted the Environment and Sustainability Policy Statement with the objective of, and I quote, reducing the Senate's carbon footprint to net zero by 2030 and to implement sustainable practices in its operations. Senatrice Mention, you said, and I quote, I am unable to discuss everything related to this file publicly, as some discussions regarding this were held in camera due to their sensitive nature. Senatrice Mention, why all the secrecy?
Senatrice Mention.
Thank you for the question. CIBA made a decision about the publication of the report, and the rationale was discussed in camera. I cannot, therefore, disclose that information. I can say that it touches managerial decisions for an employer's perspective and touches on internal operations. The members of CIBA consulted the report in that capacity as the employer. So I can't go any further, Senator, with that information.
Senator Coyle.
Well, that's puzzling. The first consulting report clearly identified the two main sources of the Senate's GHG emissions as being from heating our Senate buildings and from senator travel. You mentioned administration was working on potential initiatives last time, bicycles, reducing paper. Senator Mention, when will we see the latest report we paid for so we can see for ourselves serious options for filling our Senate net zero commitments?
Senatrice Mention.
Again, I am not at liberty of providing the report. It was a decision that was made by CIBA. What I can tell you, though, is that some of the initiatives that are within the report will be brought forward, like the bicycle initiatives. There are other initiatives that we are working on, but the report at this moment, I don't have the liberty of providing it.